Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to install Git into your machine. Machine means laptop, okay? So go to the browser, search Git. After that you will see one first website git-scm.com. Just click on Git. After that just scroll down. Then check here you can see the latest source release. Just click on download for Windows. So depending on your system we can choose 32-bit or 62-bit. So how to know that whether your laptop is 62-bit or 64-bit? So just go to the window, search about my PC, okay, and then just check system type. Here you can see 62 or 60, 32 or 64-bit, okay. Now just click on 62 or 64-bit or 32-bit, okay. I'm selecting 64-bit. Here you can see I have already downloaded Git. Okay, so I'm starting the installation process. Where I put it, applications. Okay, see just after download the Git, just double click on Git, say yes, then the installation process will be start. Just scroll down, then click on next. If you want to change the folder, then you can change by using browser button, but I don't want to change, so I'm clicking on next button. After that just again click next, next, next. Keep it as it is, okay. Then next, 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 and then again next, next. Here just you have to done one changes. Just read it. Choose the credentials help, Git credential manager, or use the cross platform Git credentials manager. So do not use credentials helpers, okay. Just click on next, or if you want to select that, you can select also. It depends on you, okay. Just install. It takes time, but not more than 1 minute. Just hold on. So guys, we have successfully installed the Git. Now we have to check whether it is installed or not. Just go to the Windows, search cmd, and just type Git and press enter. You will get the Git information that you have already installed, okay. So thank you for watching video. Please do like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.